Like all private sector companies, COVID-19 has impacted business for Flow, the island's leading telecommunications services provider, but it has resisted taking actions which could impact its staff.
To date, we are proud to state that with sacrifice, we have been able to retain 100% of our staff.
Flow also played its part during COVID-19 in ensuring that schools and the workplace remained functional during an unprecedented period.
We've continued to invest in our broadband infrastructure, increase speeds and network resiliency to meet the growing needs of our students and professionals working from home.
The increased speeds could not have come at a better time to support the new way of learning for our students, the unexpected enforced work from home mandates for some of our workforce, and an overall enhancement of customer experience.
Along with the support of the Ministry of Education, Flow Study provided online courses and academic support to thousands of students.
As the year comes to a close, Flow is helping to spread some cheer through its 2020 Christmas promotion.
For everyone considering bundling your services, there is a discount of up to $75 for 3 months and up to $80 on your mobile when you add your mobile to your internet.
So here's an inside scoop on how to get your name on Flow's gift list this Christmas and win one of over 50 daily prizes. Option 1, bundle your home and mobile services. 2, switch to Flow's mobile network. 3, activate any always-on prepaid combo plan. In fact, in some instances, just because you're a Flow customer, you'll be a winner.
In keeping with a new reality, Flow is keeping it local. All 500 prizes up for grabs will be either products or services from local enterprises.
All of our 500 prizes will be products and services from local suppliers who also happen to be our customers. From the giants like Massey and Unicommer to the young, promising businesses like Glamour Art by Toya, Wavemaker Photography, Membet, Pink Butterfly Naturals, just to name a few.
Flow's existing and new customers can qualify to win one of 50 prizes daily from now till the end of the year.